Good day. Welcome to the crypto community, and I hope all is well. In today's video, I am going to talk about the DogPound and why in my initial video, I actually split my dogs between auto compounding and the linear pool. So without further ado, I'm going to explain it through to you. So here we are in the DogPound, and it was the 2nd of November when I had actually got into this pool, and as you can see, just over 2 weeks, and these are my results. I have not claimed anything or done anything since then. I just wanted to actually just write it out and see what the returns are. And if you recall from my last video, if you haven't seen it, I've got that in the description below for you to click onto it, and it is timestamped so you can go straight to this section of where I actually did my strategy in compounding into the DogPound. So originally when I actually got into this, I had over 71 dogs, and rather than actually putting it all into the auto compounding stake, I actually decided to put some into the stake linear. So what's the difference between the two? So as I explained, the auto compounding allows you to earn your rewards in pigs, and the BNB rewards automatically convert to pigs/WBNB LPs and used in the core farm of pigs WBNB LP, where you can claim pigs. In the linear, the reason why I went down this track is because the standard compounding pool allows you to earn rewards directly in BNB. And it is so important, the reason why I'm actually pointing this out. As you know, this whole protocol is run through the smart contract, and the gas fees is in BNB. So if you've been in this for a little while, you know that you have to keep topping up your BNB. So what better way is to earn some BNB while you're staking your dogs? And that's the reason why I actually staked 21 of my 71 pigs into the dogs. And after 2 weeks, these are my results. As you can see, after 2 weeks in the auto compounding, I have basically, out of my 50 dogs, I've been able to make 0.0368 in pigs that's claimable. Today's price of $110.45. Let's get the calculator out. So at today's price of $110.45, $0.0368, I have made $4 from there. That's based on today's price, where because I only staked 21.54 of my dogs, and I have been able to claim 0.138. So what is that in comparison? So in the linear pool, though I've only made $4, around $4 in the 2 weeks of pigs. So in my linear pool, what is the contrast? From the 21 dogs that I've staked, I'm able to claim this amount here. So the price of BNB at this very moment on CoinMarketCap is $271.49. So if I did 271.49 by 0.1381, I've made $37. So can you see how I have done what I've done strategically? Now I don't have to worry about the BNB for gas. Not only that, with the price of where BNB at the moment being one of the top 10 coins in the crypto market, even if I hold this, the value of the coin when it goes up, I am in good stead. So I'm not saying dogs is bad or holding dogs is bad. It's because at this very moment, with the ecosystem slowly building up, and I'm sure dogs will actually increase in its value over time. My strategy here is as I did. Basically, one was to actually BNB for gas, and secondly was the fact that the price of BNB at this very moment is a very, very good buy. This is not financial advice, it's just what I'm doing and showing you why I actually chose to actually go down this path, just doing the split of basically 30% of my holdings into the linear pool rather than all into auto compounding pool. For the short term, but for the long term, the auto compounding will be the area where we'll be focusing on. So in my next video, I will be actually doing my claiming and also doing a quick walkthrough of everything that I've been doing since staking everything in the DogPound and how everything works in the farm, the pool, and how it all comes back to the DogPound and the pig pen. So if you have any questions, feel free to put it into the comments below, as I'm more than happy to actually answer them accordingly. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, smash the bell button, subscribe to my channel, as it will really help with algorithms and support the community. Until the next video, have a great day, be blessed, and thank you.